Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essential documents and taking immediate actions that create verifiable travel events. Get your passport, any necessary visas, and a travel-ready ID. Then enroll in airline and hotel loyalty programs so accounts reflect activity. Book small refundable flights or weekend stays and check in. This produces booking records, boarding passes, and receipts. Once done, store PDFs and photos in one folder and link them to your loyalty profiles. This is how you start a documented, credible travel history fast. You now focus on consistency and evidence. Both matter. Make every booking and visa application using the exact legal name and date of birth so records match across systems. After each trip, scan boarding passes, passport stamps, and hotel folios and add clear timestamps. This creates a chain of proof. Once those items are saved, update a concise travel log with date, destination, purpose, and links to documents so you can quickly assemble summaries for visas, applications, or background checks. You finish by validating and safeguarding your travel history so it withstands scrutiny. Reconcile credit card and bank statements against travel receipts each month. This corroborates bookings and expenses. If needed, obtain supporting letters, employer travel confirmations, conference invitations, or hotel invoices to provide context and authority. Once complete, backup records offsite and set reminders to renew passports or memberships. Troubleshooting tip. If a trip is missing from an account, contact the provider with booking proof and insist on adding the record promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.